right? Yes, he's from India. He's our driver, family driver. Yeah, because he take the food. That's why he's waiting. Then I tell, you want to eat fruits, you take first. After 10 minutes, you take the, because we make what we call this, salad, like vegetable salad, like that. Look, he say hi. May Prayan, shout out. And look. Oh. Look, he's a good friend here, Indian friend. You know, Nazir eats salad very good. Yes, give him banana to eat. No, sometimes if you want the fruits, if he like the fruits, he will take like that. If he don't like the fruits, no, don't. Sometimes he like strawberry like that. So sometimes every Thursday they will go to market every Thursday because Friday here is holiday, right? So if they if too much fruits, I will give them. Yeah. Yes, Tagalog song. Are you know that song, Novi? Yes, I know. You are really bad. It's okay, you cry. You know who is the our God. What Free Fire official? Give him banana. Oy, give him banana. Suresh, I will give banana. He's not a monkey. He's not a monkey. Nasir, like from different planet foods and from the, yes, if you eat any kind of food, that's good, Suresh. Not salad. That's vegetable salad, right? You're really bad, baby. Oh my God, give me your anxiety. No, I don't. I don't like to give. Oh, guys, almost 1 hour, guys. So now I will end now my live. So see you tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and what do you call this? Like my live. I need more to like so I get 50 like. Okay, you like my live, guys. Likey. Okay, sleep well. Good night. I'll also go to sleep. Okay, so rest, you need to sleep. Good night, Faisal. Free Fire Official. Ayan. Sores, thank you. Faisal, good night, bro. I'm from Sores. My God name is Krishna. Krishna. Manadev. Krishna and Manadev. Okay. Okay, guys, don't forget to like my live and subscribe me, and you come and join to me every day. So, good night, everyone, and God bless you all. Oy, Faisal, don't say like that. Oy. So, by the way, guys, I need to end my live, and thank you for the love, and God bless you all, and bye-bye. Thank you. Good night. Stay tuned and See you tomorrow, guys.